Yes. And try to keep the whole thing in full screen mode. It will be easier to see then.
Okay. Which one?
I'm saying which
Main.
whatever you are presenting, no,
Okay,
keep
okay.
it in full screen so that it
Yeah,
takes
I'll
the maximum
minimize,
space.
just minimize this.
Yeah, right.
Okay, fine. So,
Sorry to interrupt. There's an option for full screening, right in that presentation screen. Yeah, click it.
yeah, yeah,
Now you can go ahead.
yeah. So I think one of the guys said he will be joining late. Oh, it's already 12 minutes late. So we'll start the session, right? Yeah. So today, I'll open my PPT. Yeah. Today is our day two, and we will be learning about Java today. So yesterday, my voice is audible, right?
Yes, yes, you are very
Yeah,
much
yeah.
audible.
Okay. So we'll just recall what we have went through yesterday, and yesterday we have seen what is programming. So programming is nothing but giving the giving input,
Instructions.
yeah, giving instructions or input or any task to the computer,
Yes.
and what is programming? Program is
Set of
nothing but
instructions.
set of instructions, set of instructions. And who is programmer? The one who write the
Programs.
programs,
Yeah.
write programs. And why we need programming?
Problem solving.
To solve the problems,
Automate things, etc.
solve problems like automation, automate things, etc. For example, apps like Google Maps and Zomato, etc. Okay, these were what we learned yesterday. And
Yeah.
today we will be seeing how to write a program, or first program.
Okay.
And this, okay, okay. So we will see what is Java. So Java is nothing but a high level programming language. So we had seen Java is like write once, run anywhere, because we
Yeah.
can compile this Java program in Windows, Windows, Mac OS, and also
Yeah.
Linux. So this is known as platform independent.
Yeah.
Pla- Platform independent,
Write
because
once, run anywhere.
run anywhere. Yeah, because these all operating systems contain JVM.
Yeah.
JVM means Java Virtual
Virtual
Machine.
machine.
Yeah. So Java depends on Java Virtual Machine. So Java is called as platform independent. But JVM is platform dependent. Okay. So all these operating system contains JVM, which helps Java to run the program. Okay, I will tell how it
When you
runs.
mean when you mean to say that JVM is platform dependent, does it mean JVM is written differently for different Windows, right? Different system
Yeah, yeah,
operating?
exactly, exactly.
Okay,
JVM is platform dependent because we can say that, for example, Windows is different from a JVM for Linux. Windows has different, what is that, support of JVM, and
okay,
Linux has different. JVM for Linux is different from JVM of Mac. Okay,
okay,
so we have, for example, I can say that Windows JVM uh, and Linux JVM, Mac JVM. So each operating system has its own JVM. Got it?
okay, okay.
Yeah. If I take one example, for example, a charger. Okay,
Yeah,
a charger for an Indian socket may not fit for another country socket. Like they have different sockets. Got it? The device is
got it,
same,
got it.
but the adapter differs in that way.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have seen write once run anywhere because code written on our laptop will run on any device with Java installed. For example, Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a server. So no rewriting required. We can uh, paste the same code in different operating systems. Next, we will see enterprise power. Why Java is enterprise power? Because Java powers banking system, e-commerce platforms, and also large scale applications used by millions every day. Java is also used Java is also used in Android applications. So there are frameworks like Kotlin, so which is used to build Android application. There Java is used, and also we build social media applications, game engines, and many more. Now we will see the big three, that is JDK, JRE, and JVM.
I want to interrupt you. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Tell.
what is Kotlin? Kotlin? I've heard the name.
Yeah, Kotlin is one of the language. So for
Okay.
Android application, we use Kotlin there.
For making Android applications.
Yeah, yeah. For making an Android application, Kotlin is nothing but a programming language. So
That is
if
dependent
I,
on Java or something.
yeah, it is
Kotlin.
especially uh, developed and runs on Java virtual machine.
Okay.
Kotlin runs on Java virtual machine. So it is also a programming language that do almost everything like Java. What Java does, similar thing Kotlin also
Okay.
does.
Okay. Okay.
But in Kotlin, we have very less code and syntax is very simple. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
you can research about Kotlin, like how it like differs from Java for more information.
Okay.
So
Will do.
yeah. We'll see about JDK, JRE, and JVM. So
Hmm.
JVM is Java Virtual Machine. So it is the innermost layer, the engine that executes your code on any operating system. And JRE is a Java runtime environment, and it is the middle layer, contains JVM and also other libraries which is required to run Java programs. And JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. It is the outermost layer, contains the JRE plus development tools like compiler to write and build our own programs. I'll explain this in detail.
Yeah.
So we have JVM. JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine.
Hmm.
So when we write a Java code, Java
Yeah.
source code, okay, what happens is we save it as .java, .java file. Got it? When I write a Java program in, for example, I can show you here. in Notepad. Okay, I'll create one program.
Okay.
Okay, I need to use class and I will save my name. So this is my file name. File name must be same as class name. Got it? We have rules for that. I'll say that later.
Okay.
So I'll be writing method public static void main, and inside that we have to include string args, and I'll be printing my name system.out.println.
It will run from here
And
itself.
yeah, I'll run now. This is Notepad. So
Okay.
before going to the IDE, we will
Okay.
learn how to run in Notepad. I need to save this. So I have to save as my class name. What is my class name? My name itself. So
Okay.
same name I have to write that, and I will be writing .java extension. So I'm saving this. I'll be saving this in one of the folder in desktop. I will save in Java programming. Open, save. Yeah. Now I will run here. I'll go to, this is command prompt. So what I'll do, I'll open the folder where I've saved the file.
Okay.
So in desktop, I'll open my
Hmm.
folder what I have saved in desktop Java dash programming. Java dash programming. Now my file open. So now I have to use Java C, means Java compiler, that is, and my file name dot Java extension, and we have to give enter. It is compiled now, so there is no error. Got it? If there is
No.
error, if there is error, I will not be getting this cursor. It
Okay.
will showing me the error. Now
Error
my
code. Okay.
code is compiled. Yeah.
We'll be
Now
learning this later on, na? We'll be learning this later on as well.
yeah, like I will execute program and show you after
Okay. Okay.
running. Yeah.
Okay.
Now after now I'm running my program. After compilation, I'm running. I have to write again Java and sorry, I have to write my name. That is file name. No need of Java extension.
Okay.
Just Java and my name. Now it will print. Got it. Now you can see here in Java programming. Now Abrar, that is my source code.
Okay.
The file I have created where I have written the file, sorry, program. This
Okay.
is my source file, right? Now
Okay.
what this compiler has created is dot class file.
Okay.
From .java file, it is compiled by the compiler and it has created .class file. Now if I open this, I can't read it because it's something else which we don't know. It is compiled by compiler.
Okay.
Now this is .class file. So what I was explaining is we write Java file. This is
Okay.
what I written in Notepad.
Okay.
Now after compilation, after compilation by the compiler, it is creating bytecode that we have seen inside .class file. Dot
Okay.
class file. This is called as bytecode. So what bytecode, after creating this bytecode, it is interpreted by the interpreter. Bytecode is interpreted by interpreter. Sorry for the spelling. and it is run into machine level. So here our code runs. So this is running code. Here is what we get the output. You got this?
Yeah, I got
Yes.
that.
Yeah, yeah. So now I will tell
One
what.
more thing, one more thing. You
Yeah, yeah.
mentioned in the last step that while the interpreter has interpreted it, uh, machine runs the code. Then is it not doing the back journey again? Like it is again interpreting the output in bytecode, and then it is again interpreting something. Are you getting what I'm trying to ask?
How? I
I'm
didn't.
saying, I'm saying,
Okay.
I'm saying, the whole program has turned at machine level through
Hmm.
bytecode and after interpretation.
Yeah.
When it is done, and it is the time to give output, is the whole
Hmm.
process not done again in reverse order? Like it is getting interpreted, then bytecode is
No,
being
no,
changed to complete nothing.
no, nothing. See, what
Okay,
interpreter does is, suppose if
okay,
I write print, that is,
okay,
we have in Java, we have system dot out dot print. I
okay,
have written print here, abrar,
okay,
right?
okay,
So when I print this interpreted reads line by line. One, it
okay,
reads one line and it translates this to executable code. That is to how it can be executed in that form.
okay,
So it executes immediately. So no
okay,
separate file is created for each line. It just executes.
okay. Understood.
Yeah. And then what the CPU runs machine code and it gives the output. Yeah.
Output of.
Now let's see what this JVM, JDK and JRE, where they are contained. So as I said, JVM is Java Virtual Machine, and it is contained inside JDK. Sorry, JRE. JRE is nothing but Java Runtime Environment. Runtime Environment, and this is contained inside JDK. That is Java Development Kit.
Okay.
Okay. So now Java Virtual Machine. So JVM is used by programmer to run the Java code, and in JVM, JVM contains tools. JVM contains tools for writing Java program. Tools for writing Java program.
Okay.
Java Virtual Machine contains some tools which is used for writing Java program, whereas Java Runtime Environment, this
Hmm.
contains JVM. We can see that JVM is present inside
Yeah.
JRE. So it contains JVM and plus some other libraries. There are some other libraries like maths libraries and some GPU like libraries which are used for graphic UI like that. So
Okay.
these both are contained inside JRE. Now
Okay.
these both, that is JRE, they are contained in. This is Java Development Kit, and its main purpose is to develop Java program like with full package. It contains full package. Yes, I hope this is understood.
Yeah, yeah. What
Okay.
does JDK has in excess of GRE?
JDK
Like
is
there
like
are libraries in access for JRE in respect of JVM. What does JDK has in excess of JRE?
JDK is in excess of JRE.
Am I
Like
asking that something that makes sense?
see, JDK, it is a full package
Okay,
which contains JRE.
okay,
Got it. JRE is which is required for running of Java program, that is Java runtime environment,
okay, okay.
and some other tools.
So tools
Some
are there.
yeah, tools are there. Compiler is there. Java
Okay,
compiler is there, and Java runtime environment is there. Yeah, what are the tools required for Java, like for debugging, running, testing something, etc. So these are all contained in full development kit. Got it?
okay, got it.
Yeah. And inside that we have Java runtime environment.
Hmm.
Sorry, inside Java runtime environment we have Java virtual machine,
Virtual machine, right?
virtual machine plus some other libraries. So these both are inside JRE. Got it?
Yeah, got it,
Yeah.
got it.
So next we will see about first Java program, like how we can write. Now I'll take notepad and write here. So first I need to create a class. Class class is like a blueprint. I'll explain more about class because we have
Okay,
separate section what is class, like what are objects, different types. First, just think that this is one blueprint which you always require to follow. So class, after class we will be writing file name as I recently said. We will give it as hello world, hello world.
this is not case sensitive, is it?
Yeah,
Is
there
it
are
case?
rules. I'll tell that next about
Okay, okay,
rules.
okay, okay.
Okay. So I'll be writing class hello world, and then I'll be writing method. This is main method, public static void main and string args. So I will be learning in detail about what is public, what is static, what is void, what is main in coming
Yeah,
sessions. So now I'll be printing system.out.println. So this is used to print the statement, and whatever is contained inside this system.out.println, that is called a string,
okay,
and that is what I'm typing here. This is known as string. I'll print hello world. Now we have to wrap this method inside a block of curly braces.
okay,
So we can only use flower braces and not any other this one.
okay,
So after writing, so we have to write class. After the class, we have to give the class name. So I have given hello world, and after that I have written method. This is main
yeah,
method, public static void, and this is where the our program starts running. After program runs, JVM searches for main. Got it? Main method. And
okay,
first it executes what is inside main. So we have system.out.println, that is the uh, which we use to print the text in the console. So here I am using command this one. What is that?
okay,
CMD. So there I will be printing. I'm saving this as my class name.
okay.
Dot seven. I'll be saving inside Java program. Yeah. No worry.
When we are saying when we are saying that we are running the main block, where does the main block start and where does it end? From the first set of second
Yeah.
set of curly braces, right?
Yeah. From here, the main method starts and it ends
Okay,
here. If I want, I can create one more method and
okay,
I can give it as some other names like public. Uh, there is I can give int means return type.
okay,
We
okay.
will be learning more about that in coming
Yeah,
session.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
without
Okay,
learning, it will feel like confusing. So first I'll
understood.
run this. Yeah.
Sure.
So I'll give some other name because I already have this. I'll just give
Okay,
hello. Yeah.
okay,
Hello and dot Java. So I'll save this. I have saved now. Go here and Java C hello dot Java. Next, I have to use only Java and class name. No need to write dot Java. Yeah, I got
Uh,
printed what I have.
I have some
Yeah,
confusion.
yeah,
Can we go back to that? Last time I saw you were writing CD, or I think it stands for directory, right? CD.
yeah. CD because now I already have the this one. I have already changed. Now, if I want to go back, I can go here. If I use CD and two dots, now
Okay,
one file is gone back. If I do again CD and do two dots, it will go back. If I want to open CD, change directory, that is desktop, I'll open this.
okay.
Again, I want to go inside, that is already typed. This one.
CD desktop takes
Yeah.
you where?
To my desktop, that is
Desktop
this.
itself. Okay.
Yeah,
We are
desktop.
just choosing directory. We are doing nothing as of now, right? Right.
Yeah, yeah, nothing. Just we are selecting where our exact program is. So
Okay.
that is inside
We
Java
can
program.
copy that. We can copy that from the directory.
Ah,
Sorry.
yeah, directly. Like right click
Okay.
and choose the path and copy paste. Yeah,
Okay. Once we get in CD, we can write Java C to compile a program that we have already made, right?
yeah, yeah, exactly. Now I will be writing Java C hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now no need to write Java C, just Java and hello. Sorry. Yeah, this is what we have printed.
First, we have
And
to write Java C, then we have to write Java, and then the name
yeah,
of.
before compiling, yeah.
Yeah.
Or else we can directly do this like Java and hello. It will compile directly. Got it?
Sorry, come again. Java and hello directly.
Yeah, we can directly run that.
So
Like
there was
for
no need to write Java C before.
yeah, I think no need. I think I'll try one second with the other program. Class car. I'll take and I'll say this. So I'll save as car dot Java. Save, yeah, car Java.
Java karna.
Java car. Sir, yeah, we can't
Okay.
Java car. Okay, class names car are only acceptable.
You have to change the name or something, right?
1 minute. Class names. Okay, okay, like Java C,
Car is already in a class
like
name or something.
car dot Java I have to use.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, now it's fine. Now,
Oh, okay, okay. I did
yeah.
not notice that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
compiled. So first we have to compile, and once it
Okay.
is already compiled, then we can directly run.
In
Like
easy words, what is compiling in easy words? What does the compiler do?
compiler does is like, if I say, so we are writing on program. So class,
Okay.
I will be writing some 1, 2, 3, 4, which is not acceptable, like this.
Okay.
So compiler compile this code, full code. It checks whether there is error, or
Okay.
whether there is any syntax mistake, whether I have not ended the block, or whether I have not included this main method, and it checks all the error and tells in which line there is error. So
Okay.
before
It
running,
means
compiler compiles the program.
okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
So, yeah. So next we'll see.
It is
We
in
will.
short, it tries to check if the program is right before running. That's why it
Exactly.
precedes
Yeah.
the running the program.
Yeah, yeah. Checks all the
Okay.
mistakes, errors, and give it out before running. Yeah.
Okay.
In Python, I think we have line by line. This one interpreter. Like before running itself, it gives error in the this one. What is that? Code, what ID we use,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Now we'll see the grammar. That is, what are the rules for Java.
Okay.
So in Java we have, Java is just like a English. How English contains grammar rules, similarly Java has some
Okay.
syntax rules.
Okay.
So break them and the computer won't understand you. If we break, that's the computer won't understand. And these three rules are foundation for every Java program you will write. One is case
Mm.
sensitivity. Here, hello, it is not same as the lowercase hello. And
Okay.
Java treats uppercase and lowercase as completely different. My variable and my variable are two different things. And we have semicolons, semicolon end statements. Every executable line must end with the semicolon. Forgetting it is most common beginner mistake. Think of it as a full stop in a sentence. So in English language, how we use full stop, similarly we use semicolons here. If I
Mm.
am writing int, that is integer type, and I'm using variable and assigning value as 10. So I have to use uh, semicolon before going
Okay.
to next int b. I'll be using 20.
Okay.
I have to use full stop. So semicolons must be written at the end of the statements. Next is curly braces. Curly brace defines scope. So we have to use flower brackets, which marks the beginning and end of the class and methods. Everything inside the braces belongs to that block. Always open and close them in pair. As I said, here we will be using, uh, for one method we will be using this pair of blocks. If we are writing one more method, that is something as public something, I'll be writing, I'll be using one more pair. So
Okay.
everything must be included inside the container, that is class.
Okay.
So yeah, next we will see. Sorry.
What are classes and methods? Are we going to see this later?
Yeah, that we have to learn in depth like methods.
Okay.
We are having different types of methods, and we use different like here I used public, that is accessible everywhere. We have four types: public, private, protected, and default. Like for example,
Okay.
in one method, if whether one method is accessible in another class, how we are
Okay.
creating two classes, and how we are accessing that, we will learn in detail.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now we will learn what is comment.
Okay.
So comments are nothing but which we are going to tell that it is not run by the compiler, it is just for the information purpose. For example, I want to tell that these are ages. I'll be writing this. For single line, we
Okay.
have to use this double slash. These are
Okay.
ages. These are used, for example, in companies when we are working, when we have to share these codes with others. So they will be understanding, okay, this means these both are ages of different person. Or
If someone
example,
wants to review a program, they write comments so that they can refer it
yeah, it
later,
will
right?
be understood easily. Yeah,
Okay.
comments are nothing but like notes. For example,
Yeah.
in schools when we write something, teachers will be writing some
Yeah.
notes
Yeah.
in between what are mistakes we have done for our understanding. So similarly, we write comments. For single line comment, we use double slash, and for multi line we use slash asterisk, and we write something like this, and then we close it by asterisk and slash. This is for multiple lines. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got it. Can you do that again? Like I was noting it down. Okay. I got it.
yeah. So this I will share this PDF in the drive,
Okay.
and yeah. Next we will understand about data types. What are data types, and what are the different types of data types?
Okay.
Um, mm, yeah. So we have different types of data. I can explain here. We have integer type. We
Yeah.
can't store. If I take a real life example, like we have, suppose we are categorizing humans as different, uh, fishes, fishes as different,
Mm.
animals as different categories. So
Yeah.
each of them has their different homes. This lives in water. These lives in some like sheds or anything. So similarly, here we categorize these data types into different uh, things. For example, integer, that is used for whole numbers. Here we use int for whole numbers. For example, 20. So I can write in program like int age equal to 20. That means
Yes.
this age is now containing the value 20. Got it? So
Okay.
what type of data? I need to know the type of data. That is integer. So I use int. And next is we have double. So double is the data type. And what does double stores is decimal numbers. For example, price, that is for MRP, we use this one. What is that? Decimal value. So I'll be
Yeah.
writing in this format. So we use double wherever decimal point is decimal value is required. And next we have boolean. Boolean is a data type which has
Mm.
which stores true or false. For example, boolean is ready, that is true or false.
Mm.
And next we have is character, and inside character we store a single character. Either we can store like char character a is equal to, I can store a, or I can store only one character. I can store can't store multiple characters. So I can
Okay.
store whether one. So whatever present in the keyboard, everything are character. And like C asterisk, this is also one character. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So there is empty character, which is nothing but empty, nothing inside, like that. So we'll see in depth with the examples. And also these uh,
How do we write empty character like normal
nothing
braces?
but, yeah, just we have to use these two what is that, inverted commas. That's it.
Okay.
We don't need to write anything, just do this one. Yeah.
And no space between inverted commas, no space between those braces as well.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
these are
no
not
space.
braces; these are only inverted commas, right?
Inverted comma, yeah.
Okay, I messed up.
So we have each this one. There are some other data types as well, but as a beginning we don't need to remember all these things like what is byte, what is short, what is long, as they
Okay.
are rarely used, and in future we will be learning. So boolean is the data type which stores this one. What is that? True or false, that is boolean value. And
Okay.
if we don't uh, assign any value to the boolean variable, defaultly it will be containing false. So
Okay.
whereas in character, if no value is assigned, it will be storing as slash underscore u 0000, and each data type is containing their own size. So boolean will be 1 bit, whereas character will be of 2 bits, 2 bytes.
Character character is shown to be of U0000. Is it multi character now? U0000. There are five characters inside, no?
Character means this is some other value. So
But a character was supposed to be only one single character itself, no? There are multiple characters I see.
yeah, and
Am I not
this,
understanding correctly?
like this U000, it's
Yeah.
other unique code. Like this is not a type of, I mean, this is not character. This is like when default they are storing this value. Like, so suppose there is no value. So
Okay.
they are storing this as a default value. I'll explain what is this in coming sessions.
Okay.
So we'll see byte, that is 1 byte, and it will be storing 0 as the default value. Short, that is 2 bytes. Int, that is 0. These are their ranges. And
Okay.
long, it will be storing 8 bytes, that is its size. And 0 is the default value. We use L to represent that it is a long. And
Okay.
in float we use 4 bytes. Float is nothing but the half of double. In double we use 8 bytes, but in float we use 4 bytes. Yeah.
Okay.
Next we'll see some examples. So we have the examples here. I'll be using int, that is data type. I'll writing name, and we have to write alphabets like words. We have this one. What is that? One more data type is there.
String
That is
str.
string. Yeah, string, string name, and I'll be giving my name. So string is nothing but a collection of characters. So whatever we write inside this name, so my name that is stored inside a variable. So this string is converted to characters, set of characters. So each one will be having its own index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be converted to one type of array which is containing a collection of characters. So this is string, and string is not a primitive data type. So there are two types of data types. I'll explain tomorrow what is primitive, what is non-primitive. So you'll get to know like thoroughly how it is
Okay.
different. Yeah, and I will also explain what is byte and what is one bit, what is how in memory how it is stored. So you get some idea, and yeah,
Okay.
and other than that, so this is the example that, as I said, string name for each value we have our own data type. For string we give name. For age, that is a whole number, 20, 30, 40, we use int. For double,
Okay.
that is decimal value, we use double. And
Okay.
whether to know whether it value is true or false, like is enrolled, is registered, we use boolean. And for printing we use system.out.println. Here system is one of the class like student class. So inside system, why we use dot is to out is the object of the system. I'll explain in coming classes.
Okay.
So we have separate section when learning oops concept. So I'll explain there. What is print? Print is also method like main method. So whatever inside main method, it is executing. Similarly, println is also a method which is used to print what is inside that. Now inside println we have name. So it will
Okay.
go to name here and check what is the variable assigned and print name, this Aisha. Yeah, it
Okay.
will not print as name, it will print as Aisha.
Aisha.
What is the
Okay.
value? Yeah. And this age will print its value 20. The
Okay.
GPA will print 3.8, and is enrolled will print the boolean value. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have learnt about JVM, Java Virtual Machine, JRE, JDK. JDK is nothing but a Java development kit which contains JRE and other some tools like compiler, debugging tools, etc.
Okay.
JRE contains JVM plus some other libraries. Yeah. And tomorrow
Okay.
we'll learn operators like how we can add, multiply, subtract, and modulus, division, etc. We'll build application like small program, calculator or anything.
Okay.
And we need to know about if else loops, how to make logic. There are many set of programs which is for beginners to improve the logic. So that is main thing. And the most important thing is we need to learn consistently. And at the beginning, programming is fully confusing, and when we just consistently program, we will be getting a clarity. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can try this. Write a Java program that stores your name, age, favorite number, and print all them to the console. Yeah, you can try Notepad. If we use directly IDE, there will be no
Yeah.
all these methods. It will directly run when we click the button. So if we use Notepad, we'll come to know how it compiles, where it creates class file, like that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Later, I'll share the video for downloading the IDE.
I have downloaded ID and I have linked it to VS Code.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
I have done. Yeah, yeah, you are audible. I'm saying I have downloaded an ID, VS Code. Can you hear me? Hello?
Am I audible?
I can hear you.
Okay, I can't hear the voice. I'll check. Wait.
Think my voice is going.
Hello.
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
hear you. Can you hear me?
This has disconnected my output. That is buds.
Okay.
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, okay.
Okay. I think we
This
have.
was, yeah, we have done quite a bit today.
Yeah, yeah. So
Thank you.
tomorrow we will learn in depth about each one, what each
Okay.
data types does.
For the
And
time being, I would consider using the same methods that you went with, like public, etc.
yeah, yeah.
Public static void main. Then I'll start, right?
Mm-hmm.
String after string argument or string args, whatever you write,
Yeah, yeah.
I'll write simple program, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Same thing
I'll
here.
show you. I was saying that I have already installed ID, VS Code, Visual
Okay.
Studio,
Visual
and
Studio Code. Yeah.
yeah, I'm trying to connect it to my Git, like I have done with my Python,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and then we'll be starting out. But
Yeah.
I'll try this method as well, that the one you told me with a notepad. I did not know about this. I'll try it in
Mm-hmm.
your own methods and then we'll
Yeah.
go about it.
Yeah. In Studio Code, you do the same thing which you did. Like you are using
Yeah.
VS Code as Notepad. Think VS Code as
Yeah.
Notepad. And
Yeah. Yeah.
terminal is nothing but CD. That is
Okay.
command prompt. So there
Okay.
you have
Okay.
to use. Mhm. And
We'll take small steps.
yeah, yeah, of course.
I'll do with the notepad itself
Yeah,
today.
yeah, of
I'll write two,
course.
three codes and I'll show you
Hmm.
next time.
Yeah, yeah. And
Okay.
one more thing, like you
Yeah.
need a clips or some other this one because Java will be we can't build a full
I have
Java.
downloaded some Eclipse or Terry something called.
Eclipse, yeah, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah, I have downloaded it. I've installed it.
Okay, okay, then it's fine.
I
Okay.
can show you my. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, of course you can share that. Yeah,
I think it's not allowing or something. Yeah. Now I can show you.
yeah. Now it's open.
You can see my screen right now.
Yeah, yeah, it's open. Okay, you have installed Java
Yeah.
JDK and environment like which ID?
VS Code, can I check from here if
VS
it
Code is
is
fine. Like there is separate
okay?
ID. Like what is that? Eclipse or Bean something is there? NetBeans or something.
I've also done some. I think I've in extensions I've installed pack for Java, I guess, from Microsoft.
Uh,
I was
I
trying.
think. Mm-hmm. Yeah, here you
I'll look
can.
at. Yeah.
For creating projects, you need separate this one ID because there we have some methods like we have to connect
Okay.
Tomcat server. We have to connect this.
Okay.
What is that? Drivers
So
JDBC.
we will go slow about it, right?
Yeah, yeah, we'll go
We'll go.
slow.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll not indulge
So
into
for
this ID
initially,
right
this
now.
is enough. Notepad and VS Code is enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then. Fine. We
Okay
will
then.
wind up the session. Okay. Thanks for
Thank you. Thank you.
being here. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Yeah.